This boring faceless YouTube channel made me $30,000 in 90 days. And before I'll reveal the channel and show you how I did it, let me prove to you that this is USD, of course. So if we go here, United States dollar, we can change to Vietnamese dong. You will see now we have 880,000. And now back to USD. We are at 33,000. And now that we're good, stick around because in this video, I will show you not only this channel, but another boring channel that made me hundreds of thousands of dollars. I'll explain why boring niches are the best, especially if you want to make consistent income with them, and why now it's the best time to start one of these channels. And of course, I'm going to tell you step by step how you can do the same. So first of all, let's talk about the channel that we have right here. So the channel is called America Grows. Unlike other people who are never showing their channels because X, Y, and Z reasons, I can show you everything. So if we see this is a gardening channel, or maybe a nostalgia channel if you are more familiar with the niche, let's say. And this was started about 7-8 months ago, as you can see here from the videos. And if you're wondering why does it say I'm a manager, I got this comment last time. It's because I have one email for the channel and then I have one general email where I'm a manager of all my channels. So please calm down, calm down. Now, with that said, as you can see, the channel started relatively strong with the third video gaining some traction, but it wasn't really until this video right here, which was what, the 9th video on the channel, that got over 600,000 views. And let me show you the stats behind this video because I think it's crazy. You guys, I always like to say you are one video away. And in this case, we are one video away from monetization. So this one video, not only that it got 600,000 views, 51,000 watch hours, 2.6 thousand subscribers, so we reached the threshold, but then it also made us $1,600. It probably cost us only $50 to $100 to produce, and in return, we got results like this. And this is actually not the craziest one. Once we got monetized and once we started making money, we got some crazy videos. If I filter by most popular here in the studio, you will see that there's currently 3 videos that have over 1 million views on this channel. And let me show you how much money each of them made. Starting with the most popular, we are looking at $14,000 from one single video. Yes, you heard that right, $14,000. I'll show you in a second how we made that 30,000 in 90 days, but this one video alone made $14,000. This one about Ted Turner with 1.2 million views made another $6,000. So far, we are looking at $20,000 from just 2 videos. And then the final one, the third one that has over 1 million views, also generated $8,213.98. Now, we started the channel end of June, July-ish, and we managed to get it monetized in 30 days. So in August, we started making the first money. As you can see, the first day was right above the $50 mark. And then from there, it continued to make decent money. And this was August. If we go at September, you will be able to see the first month where we made some real money, and that was $9,949. I still remember I was a little bit frustrated because we didn't hit the $10,000 mark, but still from $600 the previous month to $9,949, the first full month of monetization, I would say this is pretty good, right? And as you can see, it all compounded, right? It all grew as time went, and towards the end here, we hit a record $960 day. So there's $10,000 right here. And if we look at October, which is going to be the next month, we've hit even higher, $15,575.39. We hit a new record right here. We hit our first $1,000 day, 1,200 actually, and a record of 1,732. And then to complete this in November, it was a slower month as you can see, but we still managed to make almost $8,000, 7,800, some strong days. And then the channel kind of went into like sailing mode, right? Into cruising mode. So this is pretty much, I mean, the span of 90 days, this one channel alone generated over $30,000. But this is not the only boring channel that has made me tens of thousands of dollars. As I promised you, I'm going to show you not one, but 2 channels. And the next one that I'm going to show you, it's called Vintage Vehicles. I started this one right around 2 years ago. And obviously it's about cars, right? So maybe not as boring as the farming and agriculture and nostalgia, but still pickup trucks and all sorts of random old trucks that you've really never seen. I would say this still fits the bill. And let me show you how this one went. Even though it was a little bit slower, this one actually made more money because we've had it for longer. And by the way, I documented the entire process of building vintage vehicles from scratch to $17,000 per month at its peak in a 7-hour case study free course. I'm giving it away for free. All you need to do is message me the word channel on Instagram and I'll send it to you. Okay, so this channel was started on January 30th, 2024. As you can see, it was completely like non-existent before. I cannot select an earlier date. And in the first full year of operating in 2024 until December 31st, the channel generated $85,305. As you can see, similar style, starts about $50 a day, took a couple of months, start hitting $100 a day, $200 days, $300. What was the record on this one? Let's see. Not sure if we hit a $1,000 day. No, 936, 930, 957. Come on, we still haven't had a $1,000 day on this channel. So 2024, this channel generated $85,000. And if we look at 2025, the channel generated over $41,000. Now, this channel actually made me more money, including the enterprise value of the channel and of the asset, but that's a topic for another time. Now, let me talk to you a bit why I think boring channels like these are the best. There's a couple of elements. Number one, nobody really wants to start those channels, right? Everybody who wants to start a faceless YouTube channel or wants to make money, everybody's looking and chasing all of these new AI trends, all of these AI videos. Some of them can work, some of them cannot work, some of them are not even gonna get monetized. But in the meantime, nobody's looking in these overlooked vintage nostalgia, very quirky, very in-depth niches. And that's why I personally like them. Because not only the competition is much lower, but actually with most of those channels, most of the viewers are coming from TV. They're older, they're coming from TV. So the RPM, meaning how much money you're getting paid per 1,000 views, is higher. Let me show you. So if we look here at America Grows audience tab in the last 28 days, let's say, you will see that the majority of the traffic is watching from TV with 52.7%. It's predominantly males from the United States, which obviously is going to help you make more money per 1,000 views. But also, look at this. It's a very interesting split between 20% to 25 to 34, 20% up to 44, 17% up to 54, 15% out of 64, and then even 18% after 65 year plus, right? And all of those things combined, if we go here at the revenue, you'll see here in the last 28 days that we had a $6 RPM, but it's actually been even higher. If we go 90 days, it's $6.95. And if we go lifetime, let's say last 365, it's $6.97. So it's $6 to $7, I would say. If we look here at vintage vehicles, for example, in the last 90 days of the audience tab, you will see that the majority of the audience has been watching on TV, 61.8%, which is clear majority. The second one is 17% mobile phone. Also, a lot of males watching, 63% United States, which is obviously going to pay you more. But also probably what skews this the most is the age, right? You will see that we barely have any viewers below the age of 45. 45 to 54 is 15%, 55 to 64 is 29.7%, and 65 plus is 41%, right? So these are generally older people who watch the videos for longer, which are gonna give you better stats. So I would say again, while everybody's chasing this shiny new video ideas, these shiny new niches, there's still a bunch of niches, boring niches as I like to call them, that are printing cash. Another reason why I really like these boring channels is because the viewers keep coming back. Meaning, if you manage to build an audience, and here I mean 5,000 subscribers, 10,000 subscribers, maybe 20,000, you don't need more. If you manage to kind of carve out your niche, you're going to be able to get views and make money for many, many years to come, right? And the reason is, obviously, if you keep the inputs, if you keep making the same amount of videos and the same type of videos, people are going to keep watching your videos. They're not going to change that much, right? There's not going to be a lot of competition. They're not going to change that much. So not only this is a great lower barrier to entry, untapped niche, so to say, but it's also going to be consistent for the long term. And speaking about the long term, let me actually tell you why now is the best time to start a faceless channel in general, boring or not. See, when I started Vintage Vehicles, which was the first boring channel, let's say, about 2 years ago, AI and the tools weren't that advanced, right? I wasn't able to leverage them as much. So I had to pay $100, $120, sometimes even $150 for each and every single video that I was making on this channel, because we had a scriptwriter, a voice actor, a video editor, and a thumbnail designer. Now, to contrast that with America Grows, which just started a couple of months ago, with this one, we leveraged AI from the beginning. We used AI to help us write a script. We used an AI voiceover, which helped because it made the process much more faster, much more efficient. And at the same time, the cost per video here was $40 to $50. So 30 to 40% of what we paid on vintage vehicles. And it made the same amount of money, but faster. So with all the tools and all the technology that we have right now, guys, I would say it's undeniably the best time to start a Faceless YouTube channel. And as a result, there are so many people doing this right now. Our community right now gets over 120 million views per month, and we make over $500,000 from AdSense revenue combined. So with that being said, let me just give you the grand scheme of things of how you can do the same, how you can start a boring channel like Vintage Vehicles, like America Grows, with relatively easy, lower barrier to entry, and not a huge investment like you maybe needed before. You basically need a couple components. Number one, you obviously need a good niche, right? I have a bunch of videos on the channel. You can go and watch those on it. There are plenty of good niches out there that are gonna pay you very good money. But number one, very important, you need a niche. Once you have the niche, you're gonna need to make the videos. And here I recommend, again, use a hybrid approach where if you don't have a lot of money, where you wanna be very efficient from the beginning, you can use Claude to help you write a script. You can use a software called 11 Labs to help you generate AI voiceovers that are human-like. You're not gonna be able to make a difference. And I would still hire a video editor and a thumbnail designer, especially if you don't have experience and you don't wanna learn how to do that yourself. All in all, you're looking at $40, $50, maybe $100 in most of the niches per video. And this is gonna allow you to have the best production quality that you're gonna need. Once you have your niche and your team in place, it's time to get going. You're gonna need to start posting videos. What's most important here is that you have the right video ideas. You've done your research, you've done your due diligence, you know who your competitors are, and your job is gonna model their videos and make them slightly better. And if that might sound complicated or you don't know where to start, I got you. I have a free video here on the channel where I'm showing my entire workflow. Just make sure to watch this video next.